Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of UniversityParent.com, and we help parents find everything they need to help their students succeed at school. Today, we're talking with Skylar, who's going off to college in the fall, and she's helping us check out the OCM Complete Campus Value Pack.
Yay, my OCM box is finally here. I can't wait to unwrap it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, a micro plush blanket. This looks soft. Oh, it's so soft. Here.
Yay!
Oh,
that is soft.
Ooh, a comforter. I like the pattern. Very cool. Nice and white.
Yeah, it's nice. And it's reversible.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Mattress pad. That'll be nice to keep the mattress comfortable. Ooh, lots of bath sheets and towels.
How many towels do you get? Do you get extra?
Oh, you get extra ones. Now I don't have to do my laundry as often.
Yay.
Underbed bag to keep all my stuff. Nice.
Well, that's good because the rooms are small. It gives you extra storage. That's great. 2 of them.
Yeah. Bedside pocket with 3 canvas pockets. That'll be nice to hold all my
More storage.
extra storage. Oh, I really like the pattern of these sheets. They're extra long, which is nice.
Oh, they are extra long.
And I'll
That's
only have to
perfect.
do my laundry half the time. There are 2 sets.
Yay.
A laundry bag. Hopefully I'll be doing my laundry often.
Yeah, don't get that too full. Don't overstuff it.
Ooh, lots more towels. 6-piece towel set with like washcloths, hand towels. That's nice.
It is nice.
And
Again,
then
extras.
2 pillows. Nice and comfortable.
Oh, wait. How
Wow.
that's good. Ooh,
Very nice.
nice. Yeah.
And lastly,
Jeez, you don't even have room for all this stuff, and I can't believe it all fit
oh,
in that
a memory
box.
foam mattress topper. That's very nice. Keep it
Perfect.
extra comfortable.
Skylar, what did you think of everything?
I loved all of it. It's so much stuff, like everything I need, and it's just I think it's so much easier to just grab all of just a box and be able to go to college with it all.
Awesome. Yeah, I think it's really convenient, and I think it's so nice that instead of having to go store by store and try and find all of your different things, you can get it all in one place and shipped for free straight to campus or straight home, either way. So one of the things I've been talking to OCM about is that they've really upped their quality from last year. And I was curious just on your take, one of the things that they had from last year, this is an example of the blanket they had last year. And
Oh wow, they've definitely made a huge upgrade.
yeah,
This one's much softer and I mean, just more comfortable, honestly.
definitely.
This
I
one's
think,
very thin.
yeah, I think the new one is way
Yeah,
better,
much
way
better.
cozier.
I will definitely be using that.
For sure. And then the other thing they did was they made a big jump in the quality of the sheets. These sheet sets are made from a microfiber blend to ensure both softness and durability. So it's super cozy comparatively to the...
Oh, I do notice that. They
all
seem more
polyester
movable and much more comfortable.
Awesome. And one of the other things that I think is so great about OCM is that they're all guaranteed until graduation. And so if there's anything that doesn't work out or anything you don't love, their customer service is amazing and they can always help you if you need anything.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thanks so much for checking out the Complete
Of
Campus
course.
Pack, and good luck with moving to college.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks so much for joining us today to check out OCM's Complete Campus Pack. If you want to learn more, go to OCM.com and you can order a Complete Campus Pack for yourself. Thanks so much.